Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today let's see how we can apply discounts on sale orders in Odoo 14. So there are different ways to apply discounts on sale orders. So when you open sales module and go to configuration settings, we can see an option to manually apply discounts on sale orders. So when you search for discounts, you can see here we can grant discounts on sale order lines. So it is already enabled. And when you enable this and create a quotation or sale order, so here let me add customer. And when I add product, you can see here a field to set the discount percentage. So if you are not able to find this, just click on these three dots. So you can see here discount, just enable that. That is if it is in case it is not enabled. Okay. So for adding the product, you can see the unit price of the product is 100 and take 5% tax is applied. Okay, now I'm going to add a discount, manually add a discount, setting 20% discount on this product. So when you add that, you can see the subtotal is changed to 80 because we have applied the discount. Now we can save the sale order and confirm it and deliver the product to customers. Okay, so here from the customer portal, you can see the product line, order line. For the customer, unit price is 100, but it's reduced to 80 as we have added, that is given 20% discount to customer. Okay, so you can see it from here. So that's how we set discounts manually on sale order line. So let's come back to edit mode. Now we have another way to apply discount, that is through price list. So first we have to enable price list option from configuration. So there are two ways that is we can create price list. One is multiple prices can be created per product, or we can use advanced price rules, that is using formulas and discounts. Okay, so in both cases we can set discounts on products. So let us see the second case, that is using advanced price rules. Okay, when you come under products, you can see all the price list. Okay, so when I open new price list, you can see here I've already added a price rule, which is applicable on the product cable management box. And you can see for when customer purchases minimum quantity 2, this rule will be applied. Okay, so you can see the computation method is fixed price. So now I'm going to edit this and I'm changing it to percentage discount. So when a customer purchases cable management box, that is minimum quantity 2, a discount 30% will be given to the customer. Okay, now we can save this and we can also set a validation period for this price list. And if you want to show the discount separately, you can set the second option, that is we can set the discount policy as not included in price but show public price and discount to customer. Now we can save this. Okay, and we can also make this discount selectable in website. That is, we can make this discount selectable to end user. Okay. Now if I create a sale order and choose new price list, and then I add cable management box to quantity, you can see automatically discount is set as 30% because we have set this discount inside this price list, a new price list. So this is how we apply discount, give discount to customers by setting it inside the price list. And if you have any doubt related to price list in Odoo 14, you can check our video. We have done separate video for that is how to manage or create price list in Odoo 14. So please go through that video. Okay, then the next way we can give discount to customers is by using coupons and promotion programs. So you can create promotion programs or you can generate limited coupons. So customers can use that, and we can give rewards to customers using this. So reward can be gift, free gift or discount. So, okay, here when I open coupon program, you can see we have already created a coupon program that is give 10% discount to customers, and it is made active. So you can see condition is set like based on product that is products that can be sold. This is applied to products that can be sold. And when customer purchases minimum quantity, okay, and we can also set a minimum purchase amount. And okay, here we can see reward is given as discount to customer. That is 10% discount on total amount, and 10% is set as the discount. So we can also set as a fixed amount. That is discount can be set as a fixed amount. Okay, and this is applied on order. We can also apply it on specific products or on cheapest product. So I'm going to apply it on a particular product. So I'm going to choose customizable desk aluminum black. Okay. Then we can also set a maximum discount amount, and we can set a validity period for this coupon program. Okay, so after editing it, you can save it and generate coupon. So when you click on generate coupon, you can generate some limited amount of coupons. So I'm generating 10 coupons. And we can also generate, that is choose generate type as number of selected customers. So here we can add filtration, that is to those customers can only use this coupons. Okay, right now I'm choosing the first option, number of coupons. So I'm generating 10 coupons. So anyone with this coupon can use this program and get the discount. So you can see all these 10 coupons are valid. Okay, I'm going to choose a first one. Now I'm going to create a sale order. I'm choosing the product customizable desk. Okay, for aluminum, black variant is not available. Okay, custom white. Okay, so after choosing the product, below you can see option to add coupon or promotion code. So I'm pasting the code that I have copied. And here when you click on apply, okay, here you can see 10% of the total amount is reduced. Okay. Okay, so you can see 75 rupees is reduced. That is 10% is applied. Discount is applied on the product. So this is how we add discount on sale order using coupon program. Same way you can make use of promotion programs. Okay, so you can see there is already created promotion program for adding discount that is giving discount to customers. So we have discussed different ways to apply discounts on sale order lines in Odoo 40. And if you have any doubts regarding this video, please add your comments below.